Hey everybody, I'm Wolfpack. Next to me is,
Peace, Annie.
and we're gonna do something. We're gonna do something that you've never seen before. Just take a good look over there at Peace Annie.
I think this is probably the first time this record has been played on the air, and it's about to be released. This thing called ABC. Ladies and gentlemen, would you agree? The Jackson 5.
He's turning the volume. Oh, okay.
No, I was actually pausing it because of copyrights. But this ABC thing, I kind of like that one. Why do I like ABC?
Because it's simplicity. I
Well,
don't
it's
know.
simple as 1, 2, 3.
So we're gonna do a story.
Yeah, we're gonna do a story.
So there was an elephant, and he went to the zoo.
No, there was a monkey in danger.
And then there was an elephant that went to the zoo to
No,
save
you
the
gotta
elephant.
slow it down. Why was the monkey in danger?
The monkey was in danger.
Because he went too far off
The
the
trail.
branch.
Oh yeah.
He was in the tree. Remember?
Yeah. I do remember the story.
Yeah, so he's really close to the edge of the tree. And the tree snapped. Remember?
I remember.
And there happened to be an elephant there.
Yes, I remember.
And the elephant went and took his trunk way up and caught the monkey. And the monkey was able to slide down his big long trunk and grab a hold of his ears so he could slow down so he wouldn't fall down. He grabbed the elephant's tail, he swung around a bit, then he hopped off and climbed another tree. That's what he did. Is that a good story?
Yep.
Well, just wait. I'm not done. Anne Marie's got a conclusion. Or I mean, Peace Annie.
Then the elephant had to save the other monkeys.
Saved his life right now.
Then he brought the monkeys on his back. They all grabbed on to his back.
Oh, the elephant had a nice massage.
And they went for
While the
a
monkey was
ride.
sliding down his trunk.
They went for a ride. ABC. Simplicity. They went for a ride, and then the elephant jumped in the water, and all the monkeys went swimming.
And the moral of the story is make sure there's no crocodiles in the water. The monkeys still survive because there's no crocodiles in the water.
Yeah.
Anyways, I'm Wolfpack. Hope you love this one. This is Peace Annie. Hope you love this ABC. 1, 2, 3. Hope you enjoy me. Enjoy Peace Annie's videos too. Hey, we're trying our best. We love you. Have fun. 3. Oh, I better take this off before these get all these copyrights from me. I'm getting this from Michael Jackson. He said I have every right that I want. See ya. I'm Wolfpack. Enjoy. We're gonna blow a balloon. We're gonna blow this balloon. Come on! Come on, let's pop it. No, come on.
No.
Shit. Shake it, baby.
Stop right there. Let's turn this off now. Let's turn it off.
Alright,
Okay.
this is Wolfpack and Peace Annie. Hope you enjoy our video.
Okay.
We had fun making it. Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sound so enthused.
It's true.
You just drunk.
Yeah. I am. Okay, bye guys.
We love you.
Girls,
Put the likes,
bye.
comments, subscribes, hearts, do whatever you gotta do.
Woo!
Woo! I'm Wolfpack. Rah, rah.